So hi Di, hi Via.
Hi,
Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Aishwarya.
I am Krishna.
I'm Anusha.
So I just want to do a rapid fire question with you all. So can I start?
Yes.
So my first question is, what is the best memory of your MBA journey?
Okay, so can I start?
Yeah, Di.
answering? Okay. So my best memory would be the first section I have been into, that is section G, wherein it was a whole new experience, new friends, and I got some genuine people from there who these both are. I got them from also the same section, and a lot of different subjects were there, good professors. It was a whole new experience, and I learned a lot. It was a good memory. The first section I will never forget. The people whom I met from there. So that is what my answer is.
Actually, for me also, the section G is the best memories. I have created a lot of memories there. I have met all good people there, and this was a transition from a technical background to a management background. So this was the first section where I got a lot of helps also for studying, for developing myself, and later I have participated in few events as well, like in the competitions. This section has helped me with support to win those events. So this is the best section that I have memories from.
Yeah, same like them. Like I was also from the same section, this section, and the best memory is like our not project, combined
Partnership.
studies.
Okay, okay.
Combined studies. We did a lot and a lot. So that was the best memory. Apart from that, the best memory is like my recruitment, like placement. So I got into Tally. That is my best part in my life and into my MBA career as well.
Okay, so what advice would you like to give to your juniors?
Okay, so starting from me, I would say that all are here to get placed, right?
Correct.
That is one of the main
Yes,
important
Di.
points. So, one tip that I have to give to all of you who is watching and to you as well is try to do multitasking. So, just don't focus only on studies because marks, okay, it is good to score marks. We have to be good at academics. Along with that, there are n number of opportunities the college is giving. For example, participating in club activities, month and all those management events are there. So don't just think that okay, I have come here only for studies and I'll do studies for 2 years and I'll score good marks. That won't help you. The main purpose, we all are working in a good company, we are in a good position, is only because of the opportunities that we have used. We have got the opportunities, we have used it. So do multitasking, be a part of all the events. Along with that, do studies, and because of which you will be habituated to do multiple things. And once you get into a company, they will only see if you are able to do multiple things at a single time. So just use the opportunity wisely. That is one advice that I have wanted to give.
Thank you, Di.
Actually, my advice is also similar to her. I also suggest just don't be pro in one thing. Expand your range, explore multiple things, like experiment with different things and choose which is perfect to you and focus on it, and don't leave the range which you have built. So that brings a multitasker inside you. And the another suggestion which I want to give is be consistent in whatever you are doing. The success will come to you.
Yeah, same like whatever they are telling, that is true. And what I want to give is first attend the classes. Okay, don't be absent.
Yes, exactly.
Because see, whatever the faculty is teaching, they will give a lot of real-time examples, which will be really useful for your career. And now, when they were teaching, I was thinking, why they are teaching these all things stupid like that. But that is true. But really, now I'm realizing these all will be helpful for your career. So attend the classes first.
Thank you, Di. Thank you, Via.
All the best.
It was very
All
nice
the
to
best,
meet you all.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.